Yes, good morning everyone. I am Maitel Hontong Hirali, one of Executive Director 6QLPL of Lifestyles Company. I am a mother of 2 children, 25 years and traditional business owner, and now doing Lifestyles Mission. I share to you the business plan of Lifestyles. So, company profile, Lifestyles is an international corporation founded in 1989 in Toronto, Canada. Present more than 30 countries. All products are manufactured by Lifestyles in Canada. So, more than 30 years of proven success. Proud member of the Direct Selling Association or DSA. So, legit ang atong kumpanya. So, problem. Why do we get sick? So, bakit daw magkasakit tayo? Modern disease is due to modern lifestyle related to unhealthy eating habits. So, sa mga pagkain talaga ngayon, grabe na. So, marami ng instant noodles dyan. So, mas mapadali din ang buhay natin. So, ano pa? Lack of exercise, stress. Stress is mother of all disease and the silent killers. Environmental pollution. So, lahat tayo maka-avail niyan kasi habang humihinga tayo, lahat maka-avail ng pollution. So, solution. Since modern diet and today's lifestyles are not conducive to optimal health, nutritional supplements can help us achieve and maintain optimal health. So, our company produces a full line of natural source premium quality products to help today's challenge. Yan talaga ang nakakatulong sa atin ngayon. So, with 30-day money back guarantee. So, ito talaga ang pinaka-the best kasi kung hindi ka matulungan sa produkto namin, may money back talagang offer ang company. Flagship product is Entra. Entra is 23 herbs that support our 8-body system, detoxifier, support healthy cardiovascular system, digestive aids, energy booster, balances hormones, support nervous skeletal system, antioxidant, immune supporter. Only Entra support the 8 biological system. So, ano ba yung 8 biological system natin? Cardiovascular, digestive and energy, eliminative, antioxidant, endocrine, immune, nervous, reproductive, at structural. So, yan lang talaga. Ito si Entra, pasado ito sa study ng US Public Med. Check talaga tayo. Meron namang magandang mga supplement din dyan, gaya ng goji juice, mangosteen juice. Kilala na yan sila. Noni juice, acai berry, echinacea, vitamin C, vitamin E, calcium. But kung makikita mo, makompare mo ang kaibahan kasi kami check talaga lahat. My second product is Nutria Plus, the powerful antioxidant from 12 synergistic ingredients of plant extract, vitamin C, and selenoxyl selenium used by National Cancer Institute. Saan ba nakakatulong si Nutria Plus? Our second product, the proven benefits that help, prevent cancer cell growth, tissue repair and reduce inflammation, prevent skin damage due to sun exposure, anti-aging. Lahat ng bukol na hindi natural, matutulungan tayo sa Nutria Plus. Third product namin is Fiber Life, a unique soluble plant fiber as easy as EBC. It helps control appetite sa mga obesity, sa mga gustong magpapayat dyan. Nakakatulong ang aming Fiber Life. So, ano pa, blood sugar levels, grabe ang diabetes ngayon, sobrang demand sa market. So, grabe si Fiber Life, nakakatulong din yan. C is cholesterol. Our fourth product is Cardio Life. It contains vitamins, minerals, and plant extract, including Vita MK7, the well-studied vitamin K2 brand. So, scientifically formulated for healthy blood flow to promote healthy heart, stronger bones, healthy brain. So, ito, grabe, na-amaze talaga ako sa Cardio Life kasi yung calcium natin, pinaproper niya mapunta sa ating bone. Itong product namin, 4 lang. Better Together Kit ang tawag namin kasi yung produkto namin is detoxification. Good for 3 months detox. So, may offer kami na program. So, 3 months detox program. It helps provide 250 health building properties. Contains 2 bottles Entra Liquid, 1 bottle Nutria Plus, 1 bottle Fiber Life, and 1 bottle Cardio Life. Good for 1 month. First month, cleansing. Second month, nourishing. And third month, rebuilding. Product quality. So, premium quality, natural source product. Manufactured under the most stringent quality controls. Regulated by Health Canada. Measured by GMP and HACCP.
scientifically formulated to meet your health requirements, carefully tested by independent ISO certified laboratories to ensure safety, purity, and reliability. So, may logo tayo sa Health Canada. So, approve tayo dyan. HACCP compliant, quality assured, halal certified. So, mga kapatid natin na Muslim, pwede tayo kasi halal ang product namin. So, Core 341. So, yan lahat ang nagpapatunay na ang company is legit. Wellness business. So, right timing. In year 2000, the health and wellness industry was worth 200 billion US dollar in global annual sales. In the year 2005, it was grown to more than 400 billion in sales. So, grabe. Tumaas ng tumaas and is projected to reach 1 trillion US dollar in 2010 and onwards by Paul St. Pilser, world-renowned researcher, new economy expert, and trend forecaster. So, business model, product distributorship, powered by AB franchising system, operates like a franchise without high cost, offers leveraging the secret of the rich, give you the seed money to build assets with the proven online and personal business tools, earns from retail customers and network of distributors. No more wholesale and retail. So, the AB franchising system, the proven system to build a successful lifestyle business. So, meron tayo nito, asset builder program, business owners pro, ito, personal business center, at saka the franchising kit, and also the myintrasite.com. Libre na po yan sa company pag distributor ka na. Since business tayo, may investment package tayo. So, instant direct, outright 30% off. You pay 105,960. Bibigyan ka ng 17 Better Together kits worth 147,050 plus 9 bottle of Entra for free. So, 16,650 din ang price niyan. Kung ibibenta natin, profit and savings, 57,740. ROI, napakalaki, 54%. Pangalawang package na offer, Express Direct ang tawag, outright, 20% off. So, 64,480 lang ang babayaran. Ang product is 9 Better Together kit worth 77,840 plus may free pa rin tayo kahit baba lang na package ang pinili natin. 3 bottles Entra worth 5,550. Profit and savings 18,920, ROI 29%, which is malaki pa din. Ang kagandahan is may free na tayo 1 million accidental insurance, and ang pinakaganda, ang highest discount na i-offer ng company, ma-enjoy na natin ang 40% on next purchases. So, retail profit, in case tapos ka na mag-package, dito na ang pinakamalaking offer. Ang Entra namin is 1,800 SRP, less ka na ng 40%, may discount ka ng 720. What if within a month, nakabenta ka ng isang bottle within 30 days? Magkano ang masave mo is 21,600. So, pwedeng part-time yan. So, what if Better Together kit? Kasi gusto natin i-promote yung detoxification namin talaga na 3 months. So, isang BT kit. So, good for 1 month. 3,360 ang kita mo nun. Sa isang buwan, magkakaroon ka ng 100,800. So, isi-share ko din kasi 5 ways to earn kami. Passive income opportunity. So, register distributor ka na. So, ikaw na yan, CEO. Mag-share tayo sa list of people mo. Unang-una, friend mo talaga na may almoranas, pwede natin sharean ran. Marami kaming testimony niya na matutulungan talaga. So, kung kukuha siya ng Express Direct, may wholesale profit ka na 14,580. Si B, second friend mo, isi-share din natin yung opportunity. At the same time, paano sila maka-discount? May wholesale profit ka ng instant direct na 16,065. So, ang kagandahan, hindi kami pyramiding, hindi kami binary, but pag nakuha mo yung dalawa within a month, sample ko lang, yung dalawa lang may free ka ng 1 box Entra. So, worth 16,650. So, ang laki. So, sa dalawang tao lang ang isi-share ko sa inyo, pwede ka nang kikita na 47,995. Ang laki talaga. So, grabe. Ano pa? Ang passive income mo dito, kasi 5 ways to earn nga kami. Passive income. So, hindi mo na ito direct effort. So, what if si A, nag-share din siya? So, since ikaw ang nag-share siya sa kanya na una, may profit ka din na passive or royalty bonus ang tinatawag namin 4%. So, magkano ba yun? 2,000, si A, 2,430 times 4. Just in case, 4 ang na-sharean, nagkuha ng package ng downline mo, may kita ka na 9,720. At saka si B, hindi din magpapahuli. Mag-share din siya kasi na-correct yung health challenge niya. At the same time, gusto din niya makatulong. So, si B, nag-share siya. May kumuha sa kanya na 2 express direct. So, 2,430 times 2. May kita ka na doon na 4,860. So, total, 14,580 yung passive income mo. Ipa-plus na lang din natin yung 47,295. Ang total nakita mo within a month is 61,875. So, ang laki, no? So, Guide to Financial Freedom. So, Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. So, dito, pinapaalam sa atin kung ano ang kaibahan. So, like ako, galing ako sa active income So, isi-share ko sa inyo kung bakit ginagawa ko ito. So, una is active income, empleyado, at saka self-employed. So, ang sabi dito sa left side is you work. Kailangan talaga nating magtrabaho para magkakita, para magka-income. Kaya lang, isinishare namin na nabilong ang aming lifestyles opportunity dito sa passive income sa right side. Kung makompare nyo, nandito ang business owner. So, ako, sari-sari owner, nabilong pala sa active income. But dito, ang business owner na sinasabi, nandito ang lifestyles kasi franchising system. Kapareho natin ang Jollibee, McDonald's at iba pang franchising na businesses. So, at saka ang investor, yung pera na talaga ang pinapagalaw. So, nabilong dito sa assets working for you. So, kailangan lang talaga may goal to transfer the right side of the quadrant using the asset building program. Ang sabi dito, from active income, tutulungan tayo para mag-transfer into passive income. Kung paano gagawin the asset building properties program. So, may program kami. Phase 1, wealth creation. Earn seed money from lifestyles business. Phase 2, wealth multiplication. Build asset like real estate. So, phase 3, wealth preservation, earn passive income, and be free. How do we earn seed money from lifestyles? Build network by duplication using the system. So, dito, ikaw lang yung una. Natural, ikaw lang yung unang sumali. Tuturuan ka lang dito. Mayroon kaming tutulungan sa samahan. So, maghanap ka lang ng 6 na tao na pwedeng makatulong ang produkto o pwedeng makatulong sa pangkabuhayan niya. So, ito lang ang gagawin natin. At saka ang 6, tuturuan din natin na maghanap ng 6. So, magiging 36 na siya. So, ganun pa rin, 216 na siya magiging kung matuturuan natin na mag-share sila ng 6 every person. So, and so on and so forth. 3 to 5 years, 9,330 siya. Pero Pareto's Principle, hindi talaga yan lahat magdudunang business. Meron dyan, umiinom lang. Meron dyan, gusto lang maka-discount. May matitira talaga dyan na 20%, 1,866. Ano ba to? If 20% or 20%, if 20% or 1,866 people order just 3 BT kits, so kahit 3 BT kits lang per month, your royalty bonus is 1,511,460 month after month after month. So, grabe, no? So, dito, may 3 keys to success. Unang-una is you have a big dream. So, pangalawa, willing to work. And the third is teachable. So, dito, may ladder of success tayo. Pwede tayong kikita ng 20,000 kung distributor ka na. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-package, pwede ka pa rin kikita ng 20,000. So, plus minus yan, effort base. So, direct distributor namin, pwedeng kikita ng 20,000 to 40,000. Regional director, pwedeng kikita ng 40 to 75,000. Effort base pa din yan. At saka executive director, dito ako, or AD6QLPL, pwede kaming kikita ng 75,000 to 200,000. Plus minus pa din yan, effort base. At saka, may National Marketing Director, bilong na ito sa elite leaders namin. Pwedeng kikita ng 200,000 to 500,000. International Marketing Director, 500,000 to 1 million. At saka, yung graduation dito is Global Marketing Director. Pwedeng kikita ng 1 million plus month after month after month. So, build asset and be free.